Hi guys, ngayon naman gawa tayo ng snacks. Okay, let's try out snacks. Now, isa sa mga trip ko na kainin pag kunyari medyo nagugutom ako, naghanap ako merenda, ganyan, is ito. Okay? So, yan. So, egg beating. So, hindi ka mabibitin, sabi nga nila. Diba? So, kung narinig yung jingle na yun, grabe, it's an earworm. Sobrang, pag narinig mo once, parang ayaw mawala sa utak mo. So, kung sino man naka-invento nun, congrats, ang galing nyo, alright? So, anyway, let's look at my blood sugar. Yan, so it's 107, so doing fairly okay. Buksan natin to. The nice thing I like about NBT, masarap siya, okay? And hindi siya parang puro flakes lang, talagang may laman, alright? So, there. See you guys after 1 hour. Yeah, it's been an hour and I just finished one whole pack of yung NBT na kopya. I actually got the Red Mongo, so medyo classic siya. Alright, so let's see ano nangyari. Oh! Ayan, okay. 192, medyo mataas guys. So, ingat-ingat lang, alright? So, it's high in sugar. Kaya, siguraduhin nyo na hindi kayo mabibitin din sa isang pack, okay? Kasi mabibitin kayo, tataas lalo sugar nyo. Okay, so see you guys next time.